First, our top story. For the first time in the history of independent India, a sitting Chief Minister, Narendra Modi, has been questioned on the role of his government in mass murders in connection with the post-Godhra riots in Gujarat. Mr. Modi, who replied to 62 of 68 questions that he was asked, will return to the evening. In fact, he's doing that just now. He's just arrived once again back to the Special Investigating Team office in Gujarat, in Gandhinagar, where he's going to continue answering questions. That's happening. Live pictures, that's happened just now. So he's already answered 62 of 68 questions that he was asked. Perhaps will answer several more questions as they come in this evening. Addressing the media a few hours back, after he'd finished the initial round of questioning, Mr. Modi says that he abides by the Constitution and Indian law. For those who want justice after all these years, Mr. Modi's appearance before the Supreme Court appointed Special Investigating Team is a significant step forward in the path to justice.
ये एसआईटी सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बनाई है। एसआईटी का जांच करने वाला जो दल है, जिसने आज मुझसे पूछताछ की है, इस पूरी व्यवस्था में गुजरात का कोई भी अफसर नहीं है। सुप्रीम कोर्ट के द्वारा पसंद किए हुए नियुक्त किए गए अफसर हैं, इसलिए सीधा सीधा सुप्रीम कोर्ट के डायरेक्शन में काम कर रहा है और उन्हीं लोगों ने आज मेरे से पूछताछ की है।
A relaxed, smiling Narendra Modi after being questioned by the Special Riots panel for over 5 hours.
मेरा तो अभी नवरात्र समाप्त हुआ है, तो मैं ज्यादा उस चक्कर में नहीं पड़ता हूँ। थैंक यू दोस्तों, थैंक यू।
8 years after the Gujarat riots, the Supreme Court appointed riots panel called Modi to answer allegations levelled against him by the widow of Ehsan Jafri, former Congress MP who was killed along with 69 other people in the Gulbarg Society massacre. Zakia Jafri's complaint accused Modi and 62 others of conspiring during the riots, ordering bureaucrats and policemen not to respond to calls for help. The lead up to this morning, an anxious wait. Modi kept everyone guessing about whether he would turn up. But finally at noon, under tight security, the Gujarat Chief Minister landed up at the SIT office. The entire complex barricaded by the police, the nation's media waiting outside. This is what happened inside. Modi was questioned in a room usually used by SIT Chief Raghavan. Interestingly, Raghavan was not there today. Modi was questioned by Ashok Malhotra, a retired CBI DIG who's now with the Special Investigation Team. There was no one else in the room except a typist. Modi answered 62 out of 68 questions. The questioning went on for over 5 hours without any breaks, though refreshments were served during it.
विस्तार से बातचीत उन्होंने मेरे से की है। उनको जो सवाल पूछने थे, मैंने पहले से ही कहा है कि भारत के संविधान, भारत का कानून सुप्रीम है और नागरिक के नाते एवं मुख्यमंत्री के नाते मैं भारत के संविधान से, भारत के कानून से बंधा हुआ हूं। कोई भी व्यक्ति कानून से ऊपर नहीं हो सकता है और आज मेरे व्यवहार ने, मेरे आचरण ने भांति भांति की बातें फैलाने वालों को करारा जवाब दे दिया है।
Tuba.com